Hey guys, I just seen a concrete pump truck pull up next door, so I grabbed my boots and all my camera stuff and my float, and I'm gonna go help them pour. So it's kind of a surprise, but I know they're gonna love having another finisher on the job, so I'm gonna surprise them and just help them out for free today. But hey, why not? I mean, if I wouldn't mind having a little help on my job. I'm gonna be like, yeah, we'll take your help, but you can't videotape. Right. So I talked to the guys. They're not pouring flat work, so I brought my boots and my float for nothing, and they really don't need any help because it's just pouring walls, but they're like ICF walls, I think. I don't know exactly. I'll put all that in the description, but they were more than happy. They said that they don't have time to do videos and stuff like that because they're always doing concrete and you only have so much time. So they were really happy and really willing to let me do this, and I sure appreciate that. The mud is not till 1 o'clock, so I'm a little early. So basically I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna get everything I need, charge up everything, and we're gonna make a pretty cool video, so stick around and watch the video. It'll be pretty fun. As for you, Muddy Feet concrete pumping right here, got a swing. Obviously it's a boom pump. We're gonna see how all this goes down. Hey Jonathan, I appreciate you letting me come out here and film, and I know this is a big project. Why don't you tell us a little bit about what you did today, what it's called, maybe a little bit about what your company is and what you guys do?
Well, my name's Jonathan Gordan. I own Bearingpoint Construction. We're based out of Illinois. We specialize in what's called insulated concrete forms, and that's what you saw today that we poured. In this instance, it's a whole house that is the insulated concrete forms from the footing, the basement, the main level, all the way up to the roof. And it's basically like a regular poured wall. It's got steel reinforced ties in between that tie it together, and it has insulation both inside and out.
Wow, so it's not going anywhere.
No, no. Our steel's all on a 16-inch grid, 16-inch horizontally and 16-inch vertically. And this particular project is a 6-inch core, but we have the option to do anywhere from a 4-inch core up to a 12-inch core.
Awesome.
With this brand that we use, which is called Foxblock.
Foxblock?
Yep.
How long does it take to maybe set something up like this?
This, on a job like this, when you're doing the whole house, it's a little more complicated. It takes more time doing the windows and doors and everything. But if we were doing just a foundation, like a typical that you were going to frame on, we can do a generally sized house in a week.
A week?
Yeah, for just a foundation.
Okay.
Now, a job like this where we're going all the way up, it involves building your subfloor inside the ICF, because you continue the ICF all the way up on the outside. So your subfloor is suspended and all your interior framing is inside your ICF structure. So that takes more time when you're doing a whole house project like this.
So you said you're based out of Illinois?
Yep, we're right outside of Bloomington, Illinois.
So you guys travel a little bit when you do work?
We do. We do a lot of business around there, but we will travel.
One of your guys told me that you guys do everything from interior trim to this.
We do. We're specialized in the insulated concrete forms, but we're also a general contractor. So we do mostly residential, some light commercial jobs, but we can general contract the whole job from start to finish.
So I know, everybody's going to notice that there was a pump on this job. We don't use pumps a lot, but I mean on this it's necessary. Have you ever tried to use a line pump?
Yeah, we have tried a line pump before. If we're doing a foundation, it would work, kind of. It's not near as easy as an aerial pump like we had here today.
Yeah, but, those are sweet.
If you're doing like a ranch like this up in the air, a line pump is just
It's the only way to
too
go.
much work to get it up in the air.
Oh, a line,
Yeah, a regular line pump.
Yeah.
So you have to have the aerial pump.
How expensive is it to have a pump come out on a job like that?
It ranges probably from $700 to $1,000.
That's not bad.
It depends on how long they're here, because they charge an hourly rate.
Okay.
And a lot of companies have a fee per yard of concrete that you order and run through their pump.
Okay.
So it varies.
How many yards did you pour out here today?
We had 40 yards out here today.
Wow. That's yeah, I could see it all straight up and down. How do you figure your concrete on something like this?
Well, you're always figuring cubic yards for concrete. So we, on a job like this, we take our total perimeter of our exterior walls, and then since we're doing a 6-inch pour here today, you'll take that linear footage times your width of your wall and then your height of your wall, what we're pouring. And for this particular job, we poured the foundation first, and we leave the concrete down halfway through a course of block, so you don't have a cold joint right on the block seam when you go to do your next level.
Yeah.
So we poured 9 feet for the walls, but we actually poured like 9/8 because we were pouring that last 8 inches of the row below.
Yeah.
So you got your height, your total perimeter, and then your wall width.
Okay.
And then we take out for all the windows and doors.
When square footage for us, it's length times width divided by 80.
Yeah.
So
no, I just do my lineal feet times the wall width times the wall height. So your feet. So it'll give you cubic feet. And then I divide it into cubic yards.
What do you divide it by?
81.
Oh, okay, same thing. All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Close. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. And then one more thing I wanted to talk about. What kind of mix did you use out here today?
For insulated concrete forms, you have to use a special mix that has either a small chip aggregate or a 3/8 pea gravel.
Okay.
Opposed to your like 3/4 white rock
regular
mix.
like we use.
Yeah. Yep. You have to use a small aggregate, and then we use a 4,000 psi mix.
Okay.
It has extra Portland in it. In the mix compared to your regular like flat work.
Now we're getting real close to winter. Did you have to put any chemical in it to speed it up?
No, we don't do any additives because of having the insulated wall. You could actually pour this kind of form work all year round, and if it's cold, it's going to be freezing. All you have to do is throw an insulated blanket or insulation over the top of your wall.
Okay.
But because you've got between the exterior and the interior insulation, you're about an R30.
Oh, okay. So it's almost like a blanket on it anyway.
It is. Yeah. You're insulating that concrete anyway.
So you can work all year round.
You can do this kind of work all year round.
Well, that's pretty cool. Yeah, you can kind of tell that it's got extra Portland in it. So that's got to be stronger than 4,000.
Yeah, it comes out. The design for the mix is 4,000 psi, and we actually did a commercial job. It was a Hindu temple project that was all ICF last year, and we had there was a lot of engineers there involved, and we had slump tests and cylinders taken for every truck every time we had a pour, and they would do a 7-day compressive strength break test, and then they would do a 28-day, and some of our 28 days were over 8,000 psi.
Wow, that's double. That's double.
Yep. And with ICF, you never take your form off.
Exactly. Yeah.
So it cures out a lot stronger over time.
That's awesome. I really enjoyed. I know it seemed kind of weird with me filming and stuff today, but I really enjoyed, and I really appreciate you letting me do this. And I just want to shake your hand, man.
No problem. We enjoyed having you.
All right. Well, I'll get this edited, and I'll send one to you that's a little bit different than the one I do on YouTube. So just keep grinding, and you're a father-son team. Your dad's name's Jeff Gordan, and you're Jonathan Gordan. That's pretty cool. But again, I just want to really appreciate you having me out here, and I'll get that to you within maybe a week or so.
All right, sounds good.
You need something?
I worked for Jeff before Jonathan got out of school, so it's been over 10 years.
The ball. You ready? You ready? Go get it. Man, you're good.